How to rebuild trust after a painful breakup. Trust, once broken, can leave deep scars. After a painful breakup, the path back to stability is not about quick fixes but steady steps. To rebuild trust after a painful breakup, both patience and commitment are essential. Did you know you can use simple reverse psychology techniques to make your ex want you back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. 1. Start with self-healing. Before repairing a bond, focus on yourself. Healing your own wounds prevents old pain from controlling the present. When you are balanced, you can extend trust more naturally. 2. Be honest and open. Honesty creates safety. Share feelings clearly, without hidden meanings. Direct and respectful communication rebuilds confidence faster than empty promises. 3. Show consistency. Actions matter more than words. Be reliable in small and big things. Show up, follow through, and keep your word. Consistency slowly repairs broken trust. 4. Admit past mistakes. Ignoring the past keeps wounds fresh. Admit where things went wrong, apologize sincerely, and show genuine change. Taking responsibility helps clear doubts. 5. Respect boundaries. Trust grows when both sides feel safe. Set boundaries that protect emotional space. Boundaries are not walls but guidelines for respect and understanding. 6. Give time and patience. Trust cannot return overnight. Doubts may surface, but steady reassurance and patience show sincerity. With time, trust grows stronger than before. To rebuild trust after a painful breakup, you must heal yourself, communicate openly, stay consistent, admit mistakes, and respect boundaries. With patience, trust does not just return, it becomes deeper, allowing a healthier and stronger bond to form. Do you want to learn how to get your ex back with this simple, proven reverse psychology techniques that make your ex beg you to come back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.